afternoon. Welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question, question number 69. And the instruction to this question says, choose the word or group of words that best complete each of the following sentence. So, to question number 69, the sentence here says, the team practiced intensely for weeks before the match dash it lost. Before the match dash it lost. The team practiced intensely for weeks before the match dash it lost. Option A, still yet. Option B, for. Option C, yet. Option D, despite. Now this question is very funny. In grammar, or in English grammar, tautology is highly prohibited. Tautology is highly prohibited. It's a great offense. It's an offense in grammar. You don't use tautology. Now, tautology simply means using two different English words that mean the same thing, in a particular sentence. That is, in one single sentence, in a particular sentence. So although most often you have people saying from outside that still yet, the idea of still yet is for market people, market men, market women. So still yet is not an English expression, it's tautology, because still and yet means the same thing. Then option B, for cannot function in this expression. Then despite can also function in this expression, because the team practiced intensely for weeks before the match dash it lost. So yet, the team practiced intensely for weeks before the match, yet it lost. So option C is correct. So not option D. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.